Yo, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Mic check, screen check. Make sure you guys can hear, make sure you guys can see. Alright, cool. Alright, okay, let me try to QQ real quick. We have 2 minutes. So far the setup's playing out that we wanted. We need to break below previous day low, pretty much. We already retested all that. So you see how yesterday I wanted the downside move? No sound on Discord. Yo, y'all can't hear me or what? You have sound? Okay, but yeah, you guys see how I wanted downside yesterday? This is a setup since Monday. This is the same setup I've been trying to get all week. But yeah. So look, NQ came to retest the zone I wanted last night, which was the hourly imbalance here. Right now we already had unemployment claims. I need to see a break below this low for continuation. And then on ES, I need to see a break below this low for continuation to the downside. Now, if we pop, that is completely okay as well, because we can pop into this imbalance. I would want to see it tap into the daily open. For high confidence setup for downside, I need the hourly low to break, which is this low here. If we can break this on the hourly on both NQ and ES, as you guys can see here, we keep holding. That's high confidence for me to continue to the downside, okay? Now, ES already retested the hourly imbalance up here, but we haven't tested this gap here. So if we get the 5-minute break, we can just play the downside from here. If NQ retests here, we can play the rejection here as well, okay? Try to see SPY over here, see what it's looking like. You guys can't hear for real. Yo, MM, can you hear? Yeah, but MM is the one that alerts for me, so I need him to hear. All right, let me All right, let me end the stream and open it again. 1 second. All right, MM. Can you hear now? All right, cool. Man, see, so the whole thing I wanted yesterday was this sell off, but continuation. Like I told you yesterday, y'all were gonna call me crazy for thinking that, y'all were gonna call me crazy that I was holding and playing the downside. No, I was just playing the larger time frame, bro. And we're up in our SPY 240. If you can update that, I'd appreciate that. Those SPY puts, they're 240. Please. Yeah, like I knew I wasn't wrong yesterday. I just wanted the larger time frame. And we caught it towards the end of the day. That's the thing that you guys need to realize. Coming into the day, every single day is identifying your range. How big is your range? Meaning, how much can you size in with for the day that you'll be okay to lose if you did lose, and manage to your risk. Manage to your account. We're chopping around here. First 5 minutes. And then if you guys are on YouTube, I don't read the chat. I don't have the chat thing that pops up, so I just read the Discord one. So if you guys are typing on YouTube, I'm sorry, I just can't read it. But yeah. You guys can join the Discord, and you guys can see it clear. There's no delay on Discord compared to YouTube. I think you guys get 15 or 20-second delay, which is a lot when it comes to trading. Nasty 5-minute candle. Look at this. Disgusting. Up and down 70 points. We're at the low here. It's 100 points from the high here. I'm just catching some momentum. 100% on those QQQ. I mean, on the SPY here. 306. 306 on the SPY puts. Yeah, we're selling off. See, I wasn't wrong, bro. I wasn't wrong yesterday. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. We need to see a break at least here on the 15th, so in the next 9 minutes. We're just stuck in a range, guys. That's what range trading is. You gotta trust your larger time frame setups. It's a nasty wick here. Yeah, we've been stuck in a range for the last 4 months, but it's been getting tighter and tighter though, so which is good. The ranges are getting smaller compared to how they were back then. They were huge ass ranges. to see the hourly low break. That's the same hourly we held yesterday. Look at these candles. Look at these wicks, bro. Why is this shit lagging? This might have been hit previous day low. Look at these wicks. Okay. This is insane. 100 points up, 100 points down. Yikes. Gonna be patient. Looks like ES is trying to hold that low again. Same thing with NQ, trying to hold that low again. Gosh, shit. You need a break, dude. I need us to come. If we do. They held. They both held. Another 5-minute wait, and it's okay though because that's gonna be the first 15 minutes. We're at the 24,800 psych level here. If we do break below here, it's gonna be a 15-minute break, and then we're gonna break below the 24,800 psych level. We'll be below the weekly open, and if we can retest the weekly open after breaking that low, we can take sales from there and target previous day low, which will be equivalent to a 100-point trade. That's the game plan. Everyone listened. Everyone paid attention. Everyone understand. Can I see some ones? You guys understood? Cool. Alright, gave you guys the game plan, so I want no excuses when this happens. Trump delivers remarks at Board of Peace meeting. Bro, they're trying to hold it again. 3 more minutes. Oh my god. Ow. Ooh. Wow. That hurt my back. QQ trying to go for previous day low here. Wait, that's not even SPY's previous day low. Why is it? Oh, that is? Huh. Oh, yeah, it is. Mm-hmm. 2.5 minutes. Actually, this is what I was listening to yesterday. I didn't even finish listening to the Brent Faiyaz has a new album out. I forgot. Right? Bro, they're holding it again. Crazy market, crazy market. Very volatile. Make sure you size in accordingly. Trump. Oh, is Trump speaking right now? Is Trump speaking? Hold on. I think he is talking. Looks like we're gonna hold the low again. Yep, they're holding the lows here. They're trying to pop it now. 100 points up, 100 points down. Patience, patience, patience. I would love to see QQ retest 604.60. I would love to see SPY retest 685. That would be equivalent to NQ tapping into 24,900 psych level. If we push to the daily open, 24,940 would be perfect. So we'll see. I mean, we did break on the 30, so 30. So boom, we broke here. Let's see what our retest level would be on the 30. This would be the 50% on the 30. This is why I like waiting the first 15 minutes of market open. First 15 minutes just happened. We held the lows. We swept the debt out of lows, meaning we swept the lows from unemployment claims. So this is looking pretty strong. I wouldn't want to short without the confirmation. Look at this market, bro. This is insane. Oh my god, this is an insane market, bro. Up and down 100 points like this. Sheesh. Yeah, this is wild, bro. Please size accordingly today, guys. Please, please, please. SMT? No SMT here today. T-Lock. They both swept. Three minutes here. SPY's retesting daily open. It's holding it. QQ's below the daily open. The SPY's above it here. I would want to see that retest. Right here. Yeah, SPY's holding while NQ's below. I mean, sorry, QQQ. We're below it. We're above it. We're holding the lows. Pretty much what I want to see is a retest of the gap that we left while gapping down today. Yeah, it's crazy chop for the first 17 minutes. I mean, yeah, almost 20 minutes. Just chop, 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 chop. Marquez hasn't done anything. Why is this shit so delayed? What the? Minute and 30 seconds here. If we do break, I think we'll catch a nice momentum. Alright, Brent Fires. You bored me already, making me fall asleep. What do I want to listen to today? You know what? Don Toliver. No, I've never been a fan of him, but the Octane album, not E85. I never really listened to his music, to be honest. Let's see what the hype's about. We're holding the low again, guys. I think we'll push here since we're holding weekly open and we're making higher lows here. We're holding the low. I think we'll push into this gap that we want. Yeah, we keep holding. The thing is though, look, so this is why I don't want to try longs. I know I'm saying it looks good, but the reason I don't want to try longs also is because I'm willing to take a bet that in the next 10 minutes we finally break below the hourly low here on both. So I don't want to take longs knowing that in the next 10 minutes we can possibly break this hourly low, which is what I'm waiting for. It's an hourly close below this low. So does it look good for longs? Yes, but I wouldn't want a long knowing that we have only 9 minutes left and we can possibly break the hourly low. Just doesn't make sense to me. I would prefer waiting for a retest, a quick pop. If we get the pop here, let's say in the next 5-6 minutes, then I would like to try short there because then we'll have 4 minutes left for the hourly close, so we can pop, pretty much retest to sell off to call us the hourly break with leaving no gaps behind. Does that make sense? So pop to fill the gap, make sure we leave no gaps behind, and then just boom, continue to cause the 1 hour break. Because right now our range, we're stuck from the previous day high to the hourly low. This is it. So anything in here is what you're going to be holding until it closes above here or closes below here. And also I can't short at the lows without confirmation. That's dumb. You're like buying lows at the bottom. Like you're shorting at the bottom. That's not proper trading. So patience. Yes, Spaz. And I'm willing to take a bet saying that the hourly low does break, but I feel healthier knowing that we retested even on a 30-minute here on ES. Right here, if we can retest the break of the 30, then I'd feel better. We already retested the 30-minute imbalance, which is good. ES is showing that we already retested, we don't need to, but NQ hasn't. That's the only thing that's holding me back right now. And then we have news in 8 minutes also. So we'll see what's up. My chest. Crap it up. Bro, it's fucking freezing. Okay, SPY's right at the 50% right now. And just tapped it. Look, SPY's right at it right now. Right here. QQQ not yet. $685 level here on SPY. We can see a nasty rejection here. We have 6.5 minutes. Let me see. Why is it so delayed? We've been hit that level. Yeah, it's rejecting nicely here. If we can break 24,830, I would like to short it. See, so the upside played out since the lows kept holding. Oh, that was a nasty lag. Four more minutes for this hourly close. Are we gonna hold this hourly still? There's no way. SPY just hit the optimal. SPY is actually a premium here and yearly open. Huh. Interesting. I would love the sells here. ES 30 minute 50%. 24,900 side level. I need to see a break below 24,856 now. 24,856 breaks on a 1 minute. We have 3 minutes for this to happen. So this needs to happen in the next minute, and then with 2 minutes remaining, we need to close below 24,801. So we can get a break of 24,856. We can catch a momentum trade into 24,800 pretty much. So about 50-60 point trade there. But we need to get the break first, because we're at the 50% for QQ. We're at the premium for SPY. And if the hourly holds here, this is ride. Can we dump 100 points in 2 minutes? It's kind of insane. It's kind of insane, brother. Two and a half minutes. Yep. We're at the yearly open on SPY right now. We're at the 50% on QQQ here. Yearly open on SPY. Premium on SPY. 50% on ES. This is, if we're gonna reject, this is it. This is it. we get 937, but yeah, those the longs were nice there. We're at the rejection here, so a minute and a half left. A minute left. I don't think we're gonna break the hourly in a minute. That means I'm gonna have to wait a whole nother hour. But if we get the breakout, I'll trade it. Will they make the impossible happen in 30 seconds? There's no way. There's no way they'll sell it off 80 plus points in 30 seconds. I mean, it has happened. Can it happen? Yes, but you know how crazy that would be? That would be insane. But look, everything so far perfectly to the levels, rejecting premium, rejecting 50%. Like I said, levels don't lie, but this is why we use them, because we expect a reaction in there. We don't just smack it at those levels, because honestly, you just never know. Sorry, not that you never know. You don't just smack those levels because you don't have confirmation yet of the direction. We did shift to the upside on the smaller time frame. So now that we hit the larger time frame levels, remember, domino effect on time frames. Larger levels hit, okay, now we need smaller time frame levels to match too. Once the smaller levels match as well, boom, we just hit it. Does that make sense, guys? Then that's when we enter the trade. But we need the lows to break here. We held the hourly. News just came out too, so 30 seconds. They held them. They held the lows on the women. You're teasing nuts, bro. I would love to see a rejection here. And then calls the break. I need the break more than anything right now. We have to make meaningful deals with Iran. 24,900 psych level. Inverse Ravelli got retest here. This can be a nice momentum trade, so let's see. Just need the break, just need the break. I need confirmation before I short. Even if I want to try longs today, I need to wait for a 15-minute break above this high here for longs for me. If we do break above this 15-minute high, I'll target high a day today. Because right now we're holding this imbalance here on both SPY, QQ, spot. Yes. We're right at the 50%. I love this here. 12 minutes for the 15. If I'm to try, well, actually, I don't even have to worry about that. We can just wait for an optimal tap. That'll be beautiful. Wait for an optimal tap. Stay below on the 15. This is gonna be a big trade here, guys. It's gonna be a big trade today. Patience, pace. Just be very patient. We're not looking for scalp sit. I'm not looking for a scalp. I'm looking for a big move today, and we're going to get it. Okay, so then now, yeah, we created new highs. There's an area of interest here. I like this rejection so far. 30-point rejection. QQ also just tapped the optimal here. SPY close below yearly open, fill the entire gap. These are all the signs I need. I just now need the confirmation. Need the confirmation. This is an A+ setup for me. I know some of you guys may be thinking, why don't you just short here since we rejected daily open, yearly open? I could just short here and then, you know, risk the 15-minute high, but I'll be putting more risk with no confirmation because we can still pop into the optimal, which is 24,980. So why jump the gun here now when I know we can pop a little bit more if the momentum wants to continue to that way to fill that gap up there with the optimal level, or just wait for confirmation to the downside, meaning, okay, the true rejection was the yearly open on SPY, the daily open on ES, the daily open on NQ, the optimal level on QQQ. So then for me at that point, that shit already, you know, lined up with everything. So yeah, that'll be good for me. Let's see if we can make that happen. We just need to get the break here. If we can get the break, that'll be nice. Trump will find out about Iran in about 10 days. They said that last week, about 2 weeks from now or something. Come on, bro. Give us the break. Trump, we may have to take it a step further on Iran. Bruh. Okay, I mean, that's okay. ES is at the low here. Ooh, come on. ES broke, which is good. I need NQ to break now. Wow. Okay, now we're getting some divergence here. ES is trying to lead, NQ's lagging. Let's see. Optimal with premium rejection. We gotta get the break. Let's see if ES retests a gap. And then if we can get below 24,900 psych level, that'll be good too. If we're gonna enter these cells, I'm gonna tell you guys what the stop loss is gonna be. If we're gonna enter these cells when ES retest is 68.85, we're risking a 15-minute close above 24,973. I'll say it again. If we get a retest here on ES, I'm going to risk a 15-minute close above 24,973 on NQ. Cool, cool. You guys know the stop loss now. I gotta see you read this. Either retest or either NQ just breaks 24,856. Only two options left now. After everything hit already, there's only two options. SPY and ES are leading pretty nasty here, though. I'm not gonna lie. SPY is doing his big one. SPY is doing his big one. And we're going to close below the 5-minute imbalance. Oh yes. 2 seconds. We just closed below that imbalance. Come on, give us a retest. Or give us the break NQ. Nasty rejection on the 15. We're retesting that 5-minute imbalance that just got filled on SPY. I'm gonna jab at it. I'm gonna try NQ sells here. I'm gonna give it a jab. ES retesting the break. SPY's retesting the 5-minute imbalance that we just filled. I'm gonna give it a try here. 15-minute close above 24,973 is my stop loss. The reason I'm taking it here is because we're at the 24,900 psych level. So taking a bet that we close below 24,900. And then if we do, that's the cherry on top that we need. And that's going to be a nice momentum into 24,856. 24,856 breaks. We just target 4-hour low. Beautiful. Nice. Nice 10 points there. We want more though. Beautiful. Nice. 15 points. Beautiful. Keep it going, baby. There we go. Come on. Catch the momentum. Give us 24,856. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you go. We should slide here. Nice. 20 points here. 20 points on these NQ cells. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. Boom, baby. Boom, la vaca. Boom. 30 points. 30 fucking points. Patience pays again and again and again and again and again and again. 30 points, baby. Let's ride. Beautiful. Patience is always going to fucking pay, you guys. Always be patient. Always, always, always. Let's target that 24,856 now. That's what we want. 24,856. We need some momentum now. Like I said, I was willing to take that bet. That 24,900 psych level, we closed below it, and we did. That's what we needed. That was like the cherry on top. Come on, 24,856, baby. Excuse me. Ooh. Just give us the low. Come on. 24,856. Come on, baby. I want the momentum. Come on. What? We're gonna jump around more now. And break even. See if we can let it ride. Keep jabbing, keep jabbing, keep jabbing. Yeah, I'm still in. I'm just gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this one for the stop. The stop or the TP. We can get to 68.85 on ES. If ES can retest that there, that's going to be the buy to sell that we need. Yeah, that's going to be the retest we need. It's almost there, yes. It's also a 605 rejection level on QQQ. Oh, I think we finally tapped it on ES. Yeah, we finally tapped here on ES. This is where we should see the rejection. I'm gonna scale in a few here. Oh my god, what a skeleton. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a fucking rejection. Sheesh. Sheesh. Come on, keep it going though. I know we can go more than that. There you go. Come on. Don't fucking do it. Beautiful, 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 beautiful skeleton. I'm talking about in it. I'm talking about in it. Let's go, bro. I forget I'm on YouTube. Why am I doing this on live? I forget my camera is on. Yeah, what a banger. What a fucking banger trade. Let's go. I'm at 25 points here. Jordan on my peak. Gotta spend it. What a scaling, bro. What a scaling. I do this live every single day for you guys. Every day. I tell you when to hold, when to stop out, when to take profit, when to add more. I hold your little hands like Deadpool's little hands. And I opened to scale and it was already back down. Not tripping. Yeah, it was instant like that. Boom. It's like it heard me. It said, oh, he said scale. Let's give him his money. I said, yes, please. Please, please, my money. Please, please, please. Come, come. Come. Beautiful, man. That's crazy, huh? That's just so crazy. And look at this. Look at this. Come look at this. Come look at this. Come look at this. These motherfuckers just don't miss. That's what they be saying, huh? It's the word around the street. Word around the street. Yes, we want 24,856 though. We still want that low. I want to target it, and I want some momentum there. I want it to happen fast because I'm already tired. Been here for almost an hour. Yep, D. Yep. Just about staying disciplined and consistent, bro. Like I said, you can take one L, call it a day. Like, you know, yesterday you took an L, call it a day. You make it back today, you make it back. Just gotta tell yourself that you don't have to make it back the same day. It's gonna take, you know, maybe 2 days, maybe a week, maybe a month, who knows, but you know you're gonna get it back. Come on. Is it that hard to give me 24.56 NQ? I love you, please. I love you. I love you. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong to you. Just give me my levels, please. I can't believe I did that on national TV. Y'all gonna see the YouTube video when I say I'm talking about in it. Y'all gonna see my face. Yeah, I'm be like, I can't believe this is the guy we listen to every morning. I can't believe this is the guy we trust to make his money every single morning. Can I get a yes sir? Beautiful morning, and the TP is about to hit. Boom, 55 points, baby. Give me my fucking money. Give me my money. Let's go, baby. Banger after banger after banger after banger after banger after banger after banger. Live every day. One day does not define me, and I will fucking say that every single day. One day does not define me, and that day we still came back green. What a fucking banger day. And that's how you do it, folks. I'll see you guys later. I'll end it on YouTube first. Peace out. Take care. Discord, can you see my camera too? You ready? Well, bang.